I believe that most of our diseases, such as cancer and stuff, is caused by some kind of stress, emotional, mental. But that doesn't help explain why 4-year-olds get blood cancer and things like that. How do children
What a
get
beautiful
cancer?
question. This girl is very good. I like that girl. Amma, have you got into a 4-year-old child's mind?
I've tried to a lot
Yeah,
of
you have
times.
not been. You will see a 2-year-old child. When you get the next child coming out, it hates that child so much that it wishes the child can be killed. They have tried to kill that. They are also in the same world, ma. They have also got emotions which you and I don't understand. They are also same zygote as you and I are, and they also can think. So you don't know what happens. You know, a lot of people ask, why did Ramana Maharshi die at a young age? Why did Shankara die at an young age? How do you know they had a tranquil mind? They were good people. You know. For example, you think I am a good man. I may be a rascal inside. You don't know. You don't know really. So a child also has emotions. So a 4-year-old child can have cancer. Nothing wrong in it. You will be surprised to know that a child learns in your own womb. Did you know that?
Yes.
If you and your husband fight when you are having the child inside, that child becomes a fighter when it comes out. It can learn for 9 years, for 5 years in the house surroundings. So
Kurukshetra.
Kurukshetra. See how that Chakravyuha coming out and going in, etc. Today people are teaching mathematics to children in the womb. Yeah, you can do that. You just try this experiment. When you become next pregnant, or your somebody friend becomes pregnant, after some time you name the child. You name the child something and call the child every day. And after a few months, you just simply call the child. It moves in the tummy.
Professor, I've tried that. I have a 12-year-old son who loves mathematics. And I remember when my friends used to ask me when I was pregnant if I have any kind of urges to eat. We have specific urges to eat. And I had none. But I used to want to solve integral calculus, enjoyed doing that. And my son loves mathematics.
Good girl. Good girl. Indians are good at calculus after Ramanujan. You will be surprised. A professor of cardiovascular surgery in Stanford, such a big man. His name was David Eddy, Davideddy. Eddy, at the age of 52, when he was about to become the head of the department of cardiac surgery because his boss, Norman Shumway, was retiring, he said, why am I doing bypass surgery? It's unscientific. There's no scientific basis. I'm using linear mathematics or non-linear organ. He resigned his job. Can you believe that? 52, Stanford professor of cardiovascular surgery resigning his job. And he joins Stanford University for PhD in mathematics. 3 years later, he gets the PhD in mathematics with the Henley Gold Medal, and the citation says, David was the best brain in calculus that Stanford had in 350 years. And David goes on to change the physiology of man, and he has got a new physiology now called www.archimedesmodel.com. Go to the library, put it there. And then put your problems there, you get a solution there. And you will find whatever drug you give there, it says is horrible. Don't take that drug. And David is now professor of medical management in Stanford University. He doesn't do bypass surgery. So good.
Thank you.